with another video. Let me tell you, today I am going to go on a grocery take you guys grocery shopping with me because the refrigerator is empty. See the refrigerator? But before I go, I just really want to just clean it out, wipe it down, because I don't know why my kids does this. Like, if you can see all this dirt down here, just throw away a lot of stuff that I need to throw away, wipe down this right here, you know, just get it prepared. The pantry is really not that bad. I thought I was going to like clean this like detail, but I just gotta throw away like a couple like empty boxes. The kids left, you know, per usual. So yeah, so let me just, you know, wipe. Ooh, my light. Let me just wipe down this, organize it before I go grocery shopping. Okay guys, just got back from the store and look, tons of stuff I gotta put up now. Whew, bear with me.